Okay, so hot. Okay, starting. Just get off the bus. Para kaming nagbagyo. Zigzag. Okay, let's start our hike here in Fire Lookout. Cotong Fire Lookout. To Lupo Kaysek. Look at the trail. Okay. Oo, kaya ikaw lagi nauuna eh. Look at that. You need to bend down. Okay. Shortcut. Ayun yung aming still on the gray path. Chinese flowers. Still on the shortcut. Oh no, not shortcut. This is the real trail. Okay, still a long way to go to the highest peak of Sai-Kung. Shek Ok-Shan. And it's so hot. Whew. Okay, look at our back view. Shopping. This is where we're going. So sunny. Whew. Look at this, guys. Rock formation. Patsing Lane, Isan Monastery, Overcoat, and that's Shek Ok-Shan. Almost there. Alright, okay. Almost in Shek Ok-Shan, the highest peak of Sai-Kung. And it's almost 11. And it's so hot. Okay, Shek Ok-Shan peak. Shek Ok-Shan. Woo. Yeah, yeah. Magandang umaga. The peak, you go around this radio station, then take this path. Okay, going to our next peak. Ang init. Hey you vloggers. Nakatago nga eh kasi nga hindi ko maibulsa. So after that, that's the way going to you all, but we will take this to Shung. Okay, the trail is so nice. It's shaded and flat. Okay, we're here in this Macleos Trail, stage 3. We will take this path here. Come out. This one is going to Taisek. That will go this way first. Okay, from there, we'll go here. Okay, there's a camping site here. Kain na tayo. Ayun o yung kainan. Kainan dun. Ano ba? Okay, going to Paktamao now. And then we will get one more peak from there. Bakit kung saan pataas na dun walang lane? Okay, we need to leave the main trail first. Going to the next peak. Here. Another great trail. Okay. Almost at our third peak. We're here in Taushan now for our third peak, and still sharp peak at the view. Photos. Okay, it's so hot. Okay, I think we're almost in the main trail. Back to Macleos Trail. Who is guiding us. Okay, going down now with this trail. Okay, we're here at Paktamao. Another peak. We are taking the sharp peak way. Okay, going up. Okay, oh wow. They're done with their camping. Okay, this one. From this one. Ay, oo, sumakto. Yes, sakto. Oo. Ay, dun pala dapat. Few more steps. Ayaw pa rin niyang mag-blue ah. Okay, excited. Okay. Going back now to the bus stop for our part 2.